This is the internet expert here. I just wanted to give you a little heads up, a little public service announcement, that this is going to be one of those channels that you don't have to worry about turning down the volume or making sure your kids aren't around while you're watching it. I have kids, and I'm sure if you listened to the first couple of videos, you heard one of them asking me where his bicycle was at that time. The kids are around, your kids can be around, because to be honest with you, I'm kind of sick and tired of the automotive channels and things that all they do is curse and use profanities and all that other stuff. You're not going to get that on this channel, and I hope you can enjoy it with your family and let your kids become internet experts. Unboxing, unbagging things for the 1964 Impala. I have a 605 steering box on this car and have yet to hook up the steering column to that box because the current intermediate shaft is too long. So this I got alright. So the one side is splined to match the 605 box. You see that? And then it's got the screw, the set screw. And the other side is smooth. That's the welding. So what I'll end up having to do is set that on the box here and then cut to length my current intermediate shaft and then clean all that up and weld it in. There's a couple of videos on YouTube of some guys doing this with Fox body Mustangs. I couldn't find one with an Impala, so we'll get to it. And what I'm going to do is take the measurement, the overall measurement from the steering box up to where the joint for the steering column goes, which I have it currently extended as far out as it'll go, and that's 19 inches overall. So the overall measurement was 19 of the space that we had between the steering column and the steering box. This unit right here is 3 3/4. 3 3/4 inch, minus the 1 inch that's going of the steering shaft that's going to go into it. So we need 16 1/4. So what we're going to cut. I'm going to take my file and make a mark on the cut. You can see it right there. That's all you need. And I'm going to cut it . If we could test fit this, and perfect. Like another overall measure. Remember, we're shooting for 90, and it is exact inches. Now we clean up the U joint. But make sure you watch, like, dislike, subscribe. Make sure you leave your 2 cents because I'm sure you're an expert too.